shit, that's really bad. It's gonna make it darker. So that's it. Hey guys, how are we going? Today's just a good day. Today's 26th, no 11th. Today's the 18th of August, and yeah, I'm still doing my schoolwork. And you can see my stuff's there. I have another table there. I have a table here. So I'm really fond of moving desks from time to time. And let me just check. Yeah, I was just checking on the exposure. Thing is, yeah, I usually move from desk to desk because I don't want to stick to one. But yeah, today's a good day because the sun. It's really nice up there. It's really, the sky's really blue. I can see fluffy clouds and everything. And yeah, but we have to stay at home. So I'm just gonna do a lot of stuff here and see how this goes. Yeah, not much in the vlog today and not much to talk about. Just nothing. Just enjoying the best day of the week. I don't know. It's still Tuesday, so it's still early for me to say. But yeah, for me, this is a good day. Really, it's a good day. And yeah, I just want to take this opportunity to my tongue's tied. Take this opportunity to see to thank all the people in my life for supporting me and everything. I'm just enjoying the day. I'm just happy today. And yeah, I got up early today, 8:30 a.m. I usually get up late. Anyway, I don't know what to talk about. I'll just talk to you later. I'm just gonna do my schoolworks now. Okay? So, ciao guys. Oh, yeah. Whenever you wake up in the morning, I see in YouTube videos that you get coffee. I get instant coffee because I can't. I don't have the time to brew or something. But either way, yeah. To all you guys out there, just enjoy your day, and yeah. This could be a nonsense vlog for today. Okay, guys. Okay, something nice today. Check that out. There's a rainbow. Yep, something nice for today on a gloomy Tuesday. Goes all the way out there. So yep, nice Tuesday. Gloomy, but yeah, you can see the rainbow, so good vibes. I don't know what it is with rainbows. It's just water droplets there forming the rainbow, but it feels good to see one now. Hope it's gonna be best tomorrow. And the microphone was not pointed at me, so what the hell.
No words to say it, but I'll find them over time. There's no way to show.
Wednesday, still cold, rainy. Yeah, nothing new. Hey guys, lovely Tuesday today, and yeah, I got up late, and now I'm just trying to upgrade my Mac Mini. So that's just it for today. SSDs and some RAMs. This should work. Back to it. Hello guys, so it's Thursday today, and yeah, it's much better than yesterday. I'm half awake. Actually, yes, I'm half awake right now. I've been up all night. I've been trying to finish some of my assessments, and I'm getting stressed out. And yeah, it's gonna be a full weekend for me. But I just want to say hi to you all guys out there. How's life? How's this virus thing, which sucks. Anyway, as for me, I'm just holding on. Yeah, I really want to go out. I really want to take a break or something. But yeah, you can't because especially us here, we're in lockdown and it's cold. But yeah, just taking a break. I've been up all night. Been on my new workstation, which is kind of cool. Cause yeah, as you can see here, I have it's a bit messy right now, but you can see I have a computer Right away. Got confused. Table on this side, table, I have a table here. Yeah, so it's cool. I'm really half awake, but yeah, I'm still having my class, so just want to say hi. That's it. Yep. That's what I'm having right now. How's that? So, as you can see outside, it's a bit windy and cold, but all good. Even riding right now. So yeah, it's been a long night.